Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki Jai. Welcome to ISKCON New Mahavan Nourishing the Soul series. Today's shloka is from Srimad Bhagavad Gita, chapter 13, shloka number 14. Sarvatah panipadam tat Sarvatah panipadam tat Sarvatah panipadam tat Sarvatokshi shiromukham Sarvatokshi shiromukham Sarvatokshi shiromukham Sarvatah shrutimaloke Sarvatah shrutimaloke Sarvatah shrutimaloke Sarvamavritya tishtati Sarvamavritya tishtati Sarvamavritya tishtati Sarvamavritya tishtati Sarvatah panipadam tan Sarvatokshi shiromukham Sarvatah shrutimaloke Sarvamavritya tishtati Sarvamavritya tishtati. The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, everywhere are His hands and legs, His eyes, heads and faces, and He has ears everywhere. In this way, the Supersoul exists, pervading everything. In this way, the Supersoul exists, pervading everything. Please like and follow ISKCON New Mahavan on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube for your daily soul nourishment. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.